Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain how we have to implement the reusable checkbox using Formik. In previous video, we have implemented the radio button with this component. In this radio button component, we have used label, field, and error message. All those all those three components are necessary for every input, so I'm going to create a checkbox with these options. Checkbox dot jsx and create a function. Here first of all I'm going to import the field. Import field, and here I'm going to remove this checkbox and class name container. So inside first we are going to provide label, and here we have to provide the label variable, and here normally we will provide HTML for name. Next we are going to get the field values. Field, the same way here also we have to create field. Here name, and place the variable name. Curly braces, arrow function. Within this arrow function, first we have to provide curly braces and normal field. So in this checkbox we have to return multiple inputs, right? So first return option dot map. Within this again one arrow function. Here return provide div tag, and here we have to use data. In a loop, for every loop we have to provide key data dot key. So inside this div tag I'm going to provide self closing input type. Here we have to provide that type variable, and rest and spread operator with field. Next we have to provide the value. For those values we are getting the data dot value and checked. Here we have to check field dot value includes braces data dot value. So this is how the checkbox will be enabled or disabled. Next, after this input we have to provide another label. So here data dot value and label, and this component has been created, and still the parameters or props did not created. So create a constant name label option and rest props. So with this props we are getting all those variables, and it will be passed here properly. And go to the form control, remove the comment, and provide checkbox. The component has been imported and given here. Remove this radio, select text area, input, and go to the form container. First, I'm going to create a form control. So, form control slash backtick, type checkbox, control check, and we can go here and copy the checkbox and paste it here. Next, name. So I'm going to provide the name as a choice. The same way, label also provided as a choice. Next, I'm going to provide option. These options, we have to provide the array of object. So I'm going to provide choices. This array of object already created in the top. So you can see here. This will return key and value. So here we have successfully created the label and a field has been created. Still error message is not created. So I'm going to import the error message, and we will place it here. Field error message name, and here we can provide component div. Let's go to the front end. So here we are having the values undefined. So go to the form container. Here the initial value has not been initialized. So initialize the initial value, choice, and choice. Go to the front end. So now the values has been displayed properly. Open the console, provide a random values, blue 1, choice A, choice B, and you can see all those values here. Choice A, choice B. Till now we have seen most of the input tags. Still a date tag has been pending. In next video I will explain how we have to use the date tag. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.